How to make an Aperol Spritz cocktail. G'day there drinking buddies, Scotty Boxa here for DrinkLab.org, your home to thousands of free cocktail recipes. Right here we have the Aperol Spritz, and this is how to make it. For this you'll need 2 ounces of Aperol, 3 ounces of Prosecco, a dash or about 1 ounce of soda water, and orange slices for garnish. In a champagne glass, pour in your 3 ounces of Prosecco, 2 ounces of Aperol, and a dash of soda water. Top with a handful of ice, and garnish with an orange slice. And there you have the Aperol Spritz. Cheers to the perfect summer cocktail. Don't forget to get all the details from this in the description below or on our website, DrinkLab.org. Go out there and enjoy yourself. Don't destroy yourself. See you next time. Cheers.